Finally, we have got some real-life battery numbers of the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. The results was shocking. Not only one, we have two test results. So watch the video till the end. Before we begin, let me share some great news. Samsung is offering some incredible pre-order deals for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. You could get up to $900 in trade-in value, an instant $300 Samsung credit for storage upgrades or add-ons, and an extra $50 credit if you use the special link in the description. Students can even stack an additional 5% discount. To claim the bonus credit, make sure to place your order within 30 minutes of clicking the link. A fellow YouTuber named ZTechCare did a test to see which phone has the best battery life. He tested the Galaxy S25 Ultra, iPhone 16 Pro Max, Vivo X200 Pro, and Magic 7 Pro. In this test, no SIM cards was used, only Wi-Fi used during the whole test. The results was shocking. Galaxy S25 Ultra died first at 10 hours 58 minutes. Honor Magic 7 Pro survived for 11 hours 8 minutes, holding on to its final 1% exceptionally well. Vivo X200 Pro reached 11 hours 15 minutes. iPhone 16 Pro Max winner lasting 11 hours 30 minutes. By the way, full video link is in description. Must check out. What do you think about these battery numbers? Also, don't forget to check out the exclusive Galaxy S25 series discount mentioned in the description. Now let's talk about the second test results. A fellow YouTuber named Matt Talks Tech did a test to see which phone has the best battery life. He tested the Galaxy S25 Ultra and iPhone 16 Pro Max. In his performance test, the iPhone 16 Pro Max shines in single-core performance. The Galaxy S25 Ultra leads in multi-core performance, making it the top choice for power users and resource-intensive applications. In battery life and charging test, the Galaxy S25 Ultra holds onto 1% more battery than the iPhone after extended use, highlighting its superior battery optimization. It also charges from 20% to 40% slightly faster than the iPhone, thanks to its advanced fast-charging technology. He did so many tests you can check his video. Link is in description. Must check out. I hope you liked the video. If you enjoyed the video, subscribing to the channel would be greatly appreciated. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.